Hi everyone, this is Irma and today I will give you some tutorial, daily hijab tutorial for you, and I have four style for you, and let's start it. Okay, first wear ninja ciput like me, and then put your Phasmina. In here I wear Phasmina please cut because it is easy to wear and simple to style. Okay, with the right side longer than the left side, tie it up and bring the right side to the left shoulders like this. Yep. Tada! This is the first style, so simple, no pins. And tie that up. Okay, the second style is simple. This is the first style, right? And bring the left side to the right shoulder like this and tie it up. And tada! This is the second style. So simple, right? Tie it up. Okay, the third style, it is the step is same like the first style and second time. The difference is in here I use pin, so a pin, and the right side is longer than the left side. Next, bring the right side to on top your ear like this, pull it and use pin in here. Okay, and bring it to front. Ta-da! The third style is already. Alright, the last style is the step is like the third style. I use pin in here and it is I not use the second pin, and I will repeat. Okay, the last style is more simple than the third style. It just bring the right side to the front like this and tie it up. And tada! The last style is simple, right? Okay guys, that is tutorial daily hijab from me. Maybe useful for you are, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a great day.